Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some amazing hidden features that you will find on your iPhone. These are like Apple's secrets that they add to iOS, but never let people know that they have those features unless of course you discover them by yourself or of course watch one of my videos. Now these are pretty useful, and of course you probably use most of them on daily basis on your iPhone running on iOS 15 and a lot of them on iOS 14 as well. Now before we get into all that, as always, make sure to leave a like on the video. That will be really helpful and of course will help this video do much better. The first trick will be for Google users. So if you use the Google app on your iPhone, which of course a lot of people do, you can go ahead and from the photos library of your iPhone simply drag any picture that you have saved there and then just release it right here at the search bar, and Google will search for that image on the internet. You can find any image that you have saved on the internet as easy as that. Simply drag and drop into the search bar on the Google app and you're good to go. Next up, we're moving to the iMessage app. Now we have some really cool tricks right here. First of all, if you receive a bunch of pictures like this right here, you can actually swipe between them like this back and forth to take a look at the pictures that someone has sent you. That's really cool. But of course what you can also do is tap that little button right there and see a preview of all the pictures that you have received. So if you receive a bunch of pictures like this, take a look at all of them at once. Or of course you can select them right here, select them all, and then of course you will be able to delete them from here if you want to delete any of them. And if you want to take a full look at them, you can just tap on any of them and just of course swipe like this. And you can also react to any of the pictures simply by tapping that little button, or of course you can share it from here. So if you want to reply to a picture, you tap right there and you can reply to that exact picture on that conversation. That of course is really useful. Now with iOS 15, when you receive a picture, maybe that will be a screenshot or something like that, you can just open it, and then from here what you will be able to do is tap this little button, and this will let you of course copy the text from that picture. So let's say someone sends you like a screenshot or something, you need to take the text out of that picture, just tap right there and you're good to go. You can now go ahead and just get the text out of that screenshot or whatever that is. Now when you receive a bunch of pictures, of course you can go ahead and save one of them just by simply 3D touching on it and save them one by one. But if you don't want to do that, you will have this little button right there on the side. You can just tap on it and you can go ahead and just save anything. Now when you have them already saved, just like I have done with these, if I tap right there, it will basically let me show them on all the photos. It will take me to the photo library, or I can save the duplicates of these pictures. Or of course if you didn't already save them, you can just go ahead and tap right there. You can see all of them will be saved at once on your photo library. And now with iOS 15, when you're sending pictures to someone, you can actually pick their order. So you can see the numbers right there, and you will have the pictures right there in the order that you choose. Of course, you can remove any of them directly from here, and you can also edit pictures before sending them to someone. So if I have added a picture right here, I see something I want to change, I can go ahead, tap on that picture and tap the little edit button, and it will take me right here to the edit UI of the Photos app, and I can go ahead and edit this picture, and then of course click the done button and continue sending them from here. You probably know that you can add pictures to the notes on your Notes app on iOS. But you can see these are like large pictures that will take a ton of space on the note, and sometimes it's really hard to actually find the text that you have on that note when you have these big pictures right here. What you can do is simply 3D touch on one of them and you will get this UI right here. Just tap right here, small images. You can see now you have the note there and you have all the images, but they're small. And now of course you can see a preview of all of them at the same time. Now of course you can open them from here. You can also turn them back into big images. Simply 3D touch on one of them. You get this UI like this, tap on large images and you go back to the bigger images. Now, of course, on iOS, you will have quite a lot of ways to take a screenshot on your device. That would be back tap, or of course, the volume up and the power button, the classic one, or you have, of course, assistive touch as well. But did you know that you can do that with Siri? I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't actually know about this. You could do this forever, and you can just simply say the hey word and tell the Siri to take a screenshot, or just invoke Siri, take a screenshot. And just like that, Siri will take a screenshot of your device. Anywhere you're on your device, you need to take a screenshot. You can just tell Siri to do that and you're good to go. There's a pretty useful feature that you will find on the Maps app on your iPhone. Simply double tap on the map and then use your finger to swipe up and down to zoom in and out on the map. So you tap once, and the second tap you hold the finger. So once you hold the finger, and now you can use the finger to actually zoom in and out. So in any case, you can't use both hands. You can use one of your hands, of course, to zoom in and out on the Maps app. And this actually works on Google Maps as well. So if you don't use the stock Maps app of iOS and use the Google Maps, try this, and it works also on Google Maps. There is a pretty cool new feature that Apple has added to iOS 15 that will let you use dark mode on any app, even though that app might not offer a dark mode option. And that is a feature that will actually let you set per app settings. So what you need to do is head on to the Settings app, go under Accessibility, and scroll all the way down. You will find per app settings. Make sure you go ahead and choose that app from here. Search for the app that you actually want to force to have a dark mode, and find the app selected from here. Tap on the app and then go to Smart Invert and make sure you have it turned on the on button, and you can see right now it actually forces that app to go to this dark mode. This was basically Smart Invert, which was the dark mode before Apple actually released an actual dark mode for iOS. On your iPhone, if you have voice recordings saved and you want to actually send them to someone with iOS 15, all you have to do is just open the Voice Memos app and just simply drag the voice recording from here, and you will be able to send it on a message. Tap the message right there and just place it right here, and here we have the voice message, and we can go ahead and send it to anyone we want, and that is of course very useful. Also, if you have like a voice message that you have received from someone, what you can do is actually drag it out of the Messages app and maybe save it into a note. So here I have this note. I can go ahead and add that audio message to that note, and you will be able to also do that with the Files app. So for example, I can go ahead and 3D touch here, and I can use maybe the copy option or drag it, go to the Files app right here and just paste it, tap and hold right here on the screen where there is a blank space, tap on the paste button, and here we have the audio message now saved on the Files app. And last but not least, we're moving to the Control Center. Now this is a feature that actually is very good. Apple has added this on iOS 14, and it's the music recognition feature. It's basically Shazam now included into iOS. Now if you're on iOS 14, you won't have this feature. This is exclusive to iOS 15, and it of course makes this feature much better. So previously on iOS 14, you search for a song, you find the song, and it's done. You don't have actually a place where you can find the songs that you have discovered. Now with iOS 15, you can 3D touch here, and you will get the history of the songs that you have discovered. From here, we'll get a full list of all the songs that you have discovered, and of course, you can still find them and play them from here. Or if you want to clear the history, you can go ahead, swipe like that, and just remove any song out of the list. So that's it for this video, guys. These are some of the best hidden features you will find on your iPhone that are actually pretty useful. Now if you don't have any of these on your device, you might be on iOS 14, so make sure you go ahead and update your device to iOS 15 because it has some really cool new features. So that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like for the video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and of course I will see you guys on the next one.